everybody, and welcome to Module 4. This week, we will be continuing with the theme from last week on argumentation and how to put together arguments. I really enjoyed our discussion on both GMOs and humans on Mars, and I thought you did a nice job showing both sides of the debate, and there were some really great arguments presented there. So I totally enjoyed those discussions. As we move forward then this week and focus more on arguments, we'll take a look at fake news and how to evaluate sources. There are a lot of things about evaluating sources that you'll need to know. You'll need to be aware of bias and things that are slanted or exaggerated, or perhaps taken out of context. All of these things influence the way that we see the world, and the information that we gather and use will need to have good quality, and we'll often find these in the sources that you've already been looking at through the library. So we'll be working more with sources this week, and you'll learn how to paraphrase in order to place paraphrases in your paper. A lot of us tend to use mostly quotations, but paraphrases can also be really useful and demonstrates your understanding and mastery of the material, because paraphrases put things into your own words. So that is really helpful to do as you go through the research and read through the articles and sources that you'll be taking a look at. We'll also be taking a look at plagiarism and building awareness of academic dishonesty. I know many students are afraid they're going to accidentally plagiarize. So the web text this week goes through accidental plagiarism and other problems that people have with academic dishonesty. And so by the end of this week's material, you should have a good idea of how to incorporate sources and cite them correctly so that you don't accidentally plagiarize, or intentionally plagiarize, of course, but we know that you're not going to be doing that. Our milestone then this week, we will be putting together a source list in APA format, and you've already been working on that, so it shouldn't be too difficult to begin to assemble that source list. Again, if you have any questions, you can always reach out, and I hope that you have a great week.